Hi guys, today I will sleep here in the small tent with a new heater here. This heater works from diesel here, and intake is here for air. Here is exhaust, and warm air goes inside this tube into the tent here, and there is the special thing. I can set up temperature, and when it will be enough, heater will stop working, and after that will start again. Of course, I have this special sensor just in case. We'll see how it will be here, and Gosha, my friend, will sleep with me today. Hi Gosha, say hi to all. Hi. Good job, Gosha. Okay.